These Xiaomi Electric Precision Screwdrivers are nice tools, but build quality is not that good. Many of these suffer gearbox failure sooner or later, and sometimes you can hear the motor spinning but nothing happens, and sometimes device is totally silent even after charging it because gearbox is stuck and there is some kind of overcurrent protection circuit which is cutting down the power to the motor because motor cannot spin. This specific unit is a bit older model. Newer ones are called wowsticks. And I checked the repair videos about those ones, and structure is mostly the same no matter how old this is. And tear down is simple. First bend the rubber button out with a small flathead screwdriver. Then take the bottom cap off by pulling it with pliers. I used a piece of cloth as protection. And then whole internal structure will come out from the front end. And then the top cap is pulled out, and after that the gray halves of the structure come apart. After the tape is removed, screwing tip holder comes off from the gearbox, and I took the internals out from the gearbox and tested this thing, and it worked, so electronics are fine, only the gearbox is broken. It can be seen that teeth of the first gear wheel are damaged, and that causes total jam when it tries to rotate the next gear wheels. I bought new motor gearbox package from AliExpress, but there was no identical spare part because this tool is not the latest model. I bought a motor meant for newer wowsticks, and it seems to be right in total length from the back of the motor to the tip of the output shaft. But gearbox part is shorter and output shaft is slightly different shape. And new output shaft has one straight area on the side, and old one has two. And luckily the diameter is the same, so all I need to do is file other straight area to the new shaft. Then I can test fit the tip holder and motor gearbox package to the grey casings to see how total length looks like. And there is a clear cap, but it fits really nice even though the gearbox has different shape. And to fill the cap, I placed two M5 washers between the tip holder and the gearbox. Shaft is long enough to reach the tip holder, and this way the whole package stays tightly inside these grey casings when it's closed. Then final test. Before reinstalling everything in reverse order. When reinstalling, make sure that this switch is in center position and aim internal parts inside precisely in correct orientation so that buttons are matching the whole of the outer casing. Then the bottom cap has a slot that needs to be pointed to the small mark here. Also check that center part of the bottom cap has clear piece aligned with the charging indicator LED. Then finally rubber button is pushed back in the hole and you're all set.